Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. Today I made an autumn card using this Harvest House 6x6 paper pad from DCWV. I used that paper pad last time and I still have some left over. And this one here, I'm gonna cut it out. It's a cut of parts from the paper pad, and I'm gonna use this as my frame for my pumpkins. And then I'm gonna use my corner chomper to chomp all the corners. Here I already have all the pieces that I will be needing for my cards. I was inspired by Letty on one of her card videos, and she is a paper planner Paperie, so I kind of recreated that design that she have. So I'm gonna leave her link in my description box below so you can check her channel out. And I'm also participating in Saturday Morning Makes, and Saturday Morning Makes is hosted by Jill Norwood. So I'm also going to leave her link in my description box below. For my pumpkins, I used this die set from Concord and Ninth called Freshly Picked Die Set. And for my sentiment, I used this Paperie ink Autumn Scarecrow stamp set. And I also have my card bases here. And now let's begin the assembling part. Here I'm going to chomp all the corners using 1/4 inch side of the chomper. And then the rest will be adhering everything together in assembly process. I'm going to stamp my sentiment on a scrap of white cardstock with VersaFine Onyx Black ink, and then cut using my paper trimmer, and then cut on an angle in one end. And then adhere my smaller panel on the blank space of the sentiment strip. I added some vintage photo to distress the edges of my pumpkins, and I will add this in the middle, and I will add the whole panel on my card base. For the inside of the cards, I have this cut aparts from the paper pad. So I'm going to adhere some of this inside the cards. And the last thing to do is I added some scraps of this pattern papers from the paper pad under my YouTube name. And here are my autumn cards. I made 12 cards in total today. I love how these cards turned out and I hope you like them too. I'm going to leave all the links in my description box below, and as always, thank you so much for watching and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.